Hello friends! Yes, you have clicked on the right video. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel to get all the latest updates about the fashion models from all around the world. Today I've got an exciting news to tell you all about. It's an upcoming project by Anastasia Bertha and Gil Alice. They both will be working hand in hand with a photographic session. This video shoot will be held soon and we'll be uploading not only the video shoot but also their videos and interviews to our channel. So, if you want to stay updated, then please make sure that you stay connected.